Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300D generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses relays for the VVT variable timing solenoid is located, we'll explain in that video today. Also, if you want to see how to test VVT solenoid, how to clean VVT solenoid, we will have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will guys teach you how to do that. And for any of you that need to buy some parts, tools, VVT solenoids, we'll put the information in the video, that way you do not waste money and time. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. The VVT solenoid fuses relays working, guys, expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this Chrysler 300. We'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood, and here next to the engine, guys, you have a fuse box. Check this thing out, that's on the passenger side. Press the two tabs here, pull that cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here what we need to check: multiple fuses, multiple relays. All these are for engine management systems, guys, so there is limited information, but check all of them. For any of you that want to see how to test or clean VVT solenoid, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. If you come in that row here, even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot, you start with fuse number now. On the very left side will be 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the first fuse that you need to check. Then that's fuse 34 and 35, these two. Check fuse 37 and relay 63, the ASD relay. Go ahead and open the trunk, guys. The moment you open the trunk, leave the carpet liner on the back side. Underneath you have the spare tire, car battery, and this is a fuse box here. That's a closer look. Press the tabs together, pull the cover out, and you're going to find that fuse box layout here. Here specifically we need to check relay 29 right here, and relay 14, if you have it, it will be right here. Those are the main things you need to check for the VVT solenoid. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind. Keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.